How to sign PDF document online. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here you can see I am on my browser. You can open any browser. I am using Chrome and go for any search engine. I'm using the google.com. okay, so here we need to search for Adobe free signature. Okay, this is online tool from Adobe officials. Okay, you can see, so this is a website from Adobe, and here you can easily sign your PDF document online. Okay, so just click on it. This source will be open. Okay, here you need to sign in. Okay, you need to create the account first. Okay, so I just select the file. Okay, go select the file. If you don't find this option here, you need to just come here in sign in, fill and sign option, and here you can click on fill and sign option. This option will be enabled. Okay, so here you need to select the file where you want to sign. The file will be start uploading like this. Okay, so it will be ask you to sign in. So I have already account, you need to sign up. If you have already account, you need to sign in. Okay, so it is signing now. Just take few seconds to sign in. Okay guys, so here my PDF has been uploaded and it's open in Adobe. So we need to first go in tools. Under the tool, just come down. Here you can see the side panel. Here you can see the lot of options. So we need to go in this option called fill and sign. So here you can see I have already created one signature. I just clear it to show you from initial, show you from starting. So here you can see the option called add signature. You need to go there, then pop-up window will be open, and here you can see the three options, which is type, draw, and image. Okay, so under the type you can simply type your signature. Okay, and save. And under the draw, you need to just click your right button of your mouse and hold it and sign like pen. You can see you can sign signature like this. You need to just hold your mouse button and just sign the signature. And third option is image. Okay, for this we need the signature image, your signature image. I can suggest you can sign on blank paper and click the photo from your mobile phone. After you click photo, you can send this image in your computer or device, and from here you can select that image. Okay, just select the, you can see I have sample image here. Okay, the background will be removed automatically. Your sign will be compressed also automatically. The sign has been inserted here. You can see. Now you can go to the save. Now simply select the place where you want to sign and drop it. Now you can easily increase the signature size by clicking this big A, and decrease the size by clicking this small a. You can also delete this sign from here, and here you can see the lot more option, like you can put the cross, check mark, and type text also if you want. Okay, once you create signature, this signature will be show here. So you can simply click on it and put where you want. Okay, so you can edit your signature from here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.